Hey guys, welcome back again. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Skywallet when your PC got crashed. Okay, so assuming you have a new PC or your PC got restored and then you have already installed the CloudCoin wallet software. So all you need to do is just go to your CloudCoin wallet backup folder or locate the Skywallet ID coins that you have backed up before. So in my example, my Skywallet ID coins is backed up to my CloudCoin wallet backup folder. So something like this one. So you will see onecloud.skywallet.cc. So in my example, I'm going to restore the Skywallet onecloud.skywallet.cc. Okay, so all you need to do is just copy this file and then click on any local wallet you have and then click on the tool icon and click show folders. You can click any on this link. So let me click the bank and then I will have to go to CloudCoin wallet, then go to ID folder and then paste the Skywallet ID coin, this one. Okay, so as you can see, there's no one cloud.skywallet.cc here. Okay, you don't see it here. So if we close this one, then open it back again, then you will be able to see the restored Skywallet account, onecloud.skywallet.cc. Okay, that's how you restore Skywallet when your PC got crashed. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.